welcome to IP Study Video Lectures. Today we will discuss the 15th chapter of Grade 6 English Grammar. And our topic is to and enough with the to infinitive. So, as we all know, infinitive is the base form of verb. And to infinitive is the form of verb which is used with the preposition to. Before we go further, let us see what you will understand before the end of this lesson. Before the end of this lesson, you will be able to demonstrate to and enough with to infinitive, use to and enough followed by to infinitive in sentences. Always remember, to is used in the sentence in a negative sense, whereas enough is used in the sentence in a positive sense. Let us study this example. Rob, I am very weak. I can't lift the box. These are two sentences. Harry, you are too weak to lift the box, Rob. So, Harry has combined both the sentences using to and to infinitive. So, in this sentence, we have combined the sentences using to along with the adjective and to infinitive. Let us discuss some more examples. He spoke very fast. He couldn't be understood. So these are again two sentences. He spoke too fast to be understood. So again, both of these sentences, one of them has a meaning in a negative sense. So when a sentence has a meaning in a negative sense like couldn't or can't, we join them using to. So we use it along with the adjective. He spoke too fast to be understood. And we get this adjective from the previous line. Now let us discuss and study this example. The food is very cold. What is the adjective in this sentence? Very good. Cold. We can't enjoy it. Again, the second sentence is in a negative sense. Now we need to combine the sentence using to and to infinitive. The food is too cold to enjoy. Again, you got the adjective from the first sentence. So, this is how we combine and we use to with to infinitive verbs. We can use the to infinitive after to and enough, both the words. We can combine two sentences into one sentence using to and adjective or adverb with to infinitive. So, we can combine either by using adjective or by using adverb. To infinitive, in the last example, to enjoy, this one. Though active in form is passive in meaning. That means, although we have used it in a active voice, the food is too cold to enjoy. But this is passive in meaning. What is cold? The food is cold. So this is passive in meaning, although it is more in an active speech. Here the action expressed by the to infinitive is not performed by the subject of the main verb. In such cases, for and noun or pronoun can be placed before the to infinitive. For example, the tea is too cold for us to enjoy. So in such cases, we can also use for with a noun or a pronoun in order to complete the sentence, because it is passive in nature as it is not showing that it is performed by the subject of the main verb. We can combine two sentences into one sentence using adjective, adverb, enough and to infinitive. Enough has a positive sense, while to, as you have already noticed, has a negative sense. For example, Sam is very strong, he can lift the box. Now, this sentence is in a positive sense. So, we can use enough in this sentence, right? Sam is strong enough to lift the box. So, what is the order of using enough and to infinitive? you use adjective and then enough and then to infinitive. And it is always used in a sentence with a positive sense. Whereas to is used in a sentence in a negative sense, and the order is to, adjective and then to infinitive. You are quite intelligent. You ought to understand better. You are intelligent enough to understand better. So again, both of the sentences, they are in a positive sense. And same as we were doing in two sentences, we will identify the adjective in the first sentence itself. She ran very fast. She was able to catch the train. She was fast enough to catch the train. The dress is quite comfortable. I can wear it. The dress is comfortable enough to wear. So, the to infinitive in the last example, the dress is comfortable enough to wear, is passive in meaning. So again, when the sentences are passive in meaning, we can use for along with a noun or a pronoun. For example, the shirt is comfortable enough for me to wear or for us to wear. So this was all about to, enough along with the to infinitive. We can use the to infinitive after to and enough. We can use it to combine two sentences, and we use to in a sentence which is in a negative sense. We use enough in a sentence which is in a positive sense. While using to, the order is to along with adjective, adverb, or and with to infinitive. The order for using enough is adjective, adverb, then enough, and then to infinitive. Thank you so much for staying with us, and stay tuned for our next video lecture. Keep revising.